So starting the test drive in this Explorer ST, it has such a great sound to it. It's so quick. I have it in sport mode now, but it's a rascal, and I really like that about this thing. You put your foot down and you're gone. These things are no slouches. But I also like when you're not in sport mode, or even kind of when you are, you still get a pretty comfortable ride, even though the suspension is stiffer. The ride is stiffer, all of that. You have the 21-inch wheels, the sport tuned suspension, but it's still relatively comfortable, even though it's a bit more bouncy. And that's what I like about it, honestly. The seats you feel like you're in a sports car. You really do. And they did that intentionally, from the seats having that sporty feel to them, the sportier material on the seats. And then again, just a stiffer ride, the 21-inch wheels that look like they belong on a Subaru WRX or something like that. So really just love how this thing is. And even using the paddle shifters is fun. I'm literally smiling right now driving this. It's just funny because this is a 7-passenger SUV, and it's not like the Durango to me, because when you're in a Durango, those are always, it's a Chrysler thing. Those are always known to be sporty. It's like if you don't have a Durango Hellcat or an RT, then it's more of the norm to have the V8 powered Durangos as opposed to this twin turbo V6 Explorer, if that makes sense. So it just kind of doesn't go with this, in my opinion. But we're about to give it some throttle here. Oh yeah, this is gonna be fun. So no one's around me, thank goodness. So I'm gonna come to a stop and I'm gonna nail it. Here we go. Oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah, that is nice. Just such incredible performance out of this thing. It's so fantastic. So you get to test out see the Blue Cruise as well. Getting that full system here, lane centering, adaptive cruise control. It's just wow, this thing is something else. But I want to give one more thank you to Ford of Franklin for allowing me to review this Explorer ST. I'll leave a link below in the description. And if you're looking to find the best price on one of these in your area, click on that second link down below. Takes a minute to fill out your info. I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on one of these. But even its sticker, it's worth it in my opinion. It is so much fun to drive this. Yeah, she's quick. But, whew, test drive one for yourself. With all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2025 Ford Explorer ST.